Hello, today I'm in Ford Escape. In this video I'll show you steering wheel buttons functions. In the beginning, take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this panel, thanks to which we can navigate through instrument cluster display. Below it, we've got the panel thanks to which we can activate cruise control. Of course, if you press right here, you will use horn. On the right side of the steering wheel, we've got the panel thanks to which we can increase the volume of the radio, decrease it, change radio station, answer and the calls, and activate voice assistant. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.